Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install CLine using Ollama. So if I go into this command prompt and there, let's use the serious command first. If I write Ollama minus minus version, so you can see Ollama version 13.11 that installed. Now let's write there Ollama. And if I write this command prompt, CLine. So you can see this is not recognized kind of message that's displaying. Now here you can get this chat with model launch, and if I scroll down here you can get this message launch CLI. This is not installed, so that install option that's coming there. This install, then this is not, or install option is not there. So you need to select this and press enter. So CLine is not installed with npm. So yes selected, press enter. So this is now installing this CLine inside your Windows or any other operating system with the help of npm. npm install CLine latest. Now you can see total 3 to 5 packages that's added in 2 minutes. And here you can see CLine installed successfully. So if I go into this command prompt, let's use their CLS, writing their CLine minus minus version. So you can get there the version that is just installed, 3.3034. Now, or this here, or then the next is you can select any model and start using the CLine. So here, let's use Minimax. And now you can see this that's come there. So you can see all this place model is cloudy and there CLine is there. Thereafter let's ask any query. So testing with the hi. So hi, this returning I'm CLine, your AI coding assistant, and this can do. So this is how we can do the installation of CLine using Ollama. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.